Good morning, my dear students. In the previous session, we have read and understood the story Vidur's Secret. Today, we are going to discuss LP1 from block 13. What is the aim? To infer the main ideas from the key details of a story. Means we have to identify or we have to know the main ideas. What are the main ideas are there in a story Vidur's Secret? So first we have to identify the uh, key details. Then depending upon the key details, we have to find out the main idea. We have keywords: secret, main idea, gasped, terrified, rumors, mystery. My dear students, you will find the meanings of these keywords in your content book, glossary part of block 13. So, I inform to students, please refer glossary part from block 13 to know the meanings of these keywords. So, dear students, what is a secret? What is a secret? Secret means what? A secret is a thing that is kept hidden. Means secret is a thing that we should not tell to anyone. We keep it hidden. What are usually the things you keep secret? Dear students, what things you all keep secret? Let us say your mom has given you pocket money, but you ate junk food. Okay, can you tell that to your parents? No. Why? Because your mom will scold you. Yes or no? Yes. Again, if your class teacher has given you homework, if you are not done the homework, then can you tell that to your parents? No. Yes. Yes. Same. So, like these kind of things will keep secret. Okay. Suppose if class teacher has beaten you, okay, due to an incomplete homework or classwork, then you don't inform to your parents. Why? Because again, parents scold you. So see, again, students, please think over other things which all you keep secret. What is the paragraph about? So, in the story Vidur's Secret, all of you have seen the first paragraph. So, okay, what is that paragraph about? What does that paragraph tell us? So, that paragraph tells us about the story's setting, means where the story takes place. Okay, the story takes place in a tea estate. Yes or no? Yes. So, what is the setting of the story? Tea estate. What details I tell you about the setting? So, the setting tells us that it is far away from cities and very close to nature, and their road is very bad, and other than cars, no other vehicles would travel on that road. Next, we go for analysis part. In that, part 1, AD. AD means activity discussion. What are the keywords or phrases that you underlined on each page? Dear students, I told you to read the story Vidur's Secret page by page, and you have to underline the keywords or phrases that you come across on each page. So, can you do that one? Yes, you have to do. Next, what is the common idea that runs through these keywords or phrases? So, what is the common idea? See, the common idea is the setting of the story is in a place close to nature, and that place is very beautiful but uh, very scary. Okay, fearful. Vidur likes animals and does not see them as a threat. So Vidur does not fear. Okay, he feels happy, but he changes when he gets a pet. Buchi. Okay, pet dog. Uh, when pet dog enters to his family, Vidur starts fearing. Okay, a panther moves into the valley. Vidur is even more worried. Even again, the panther was also moving into the forest, to the valley, and that also worried more to Vidur. The panther might not be dangerous after all. Next, we go for part 2, GD, that is generalized discussion. What is a main idea? So, what do you mean by main idea? Main idea is the main point that the author wants to tell the readers. So, main idea is the main point that the author wants to tell the readers. How do key details help us to find it? So, how do you find out? How do you find out the main idea from the key details? Okay, to find out the main idea, first we have to ask the questions. We have to ask the questions about the setting, questions about characters, or questions about events on each page. Then we have to ask what main point is the author trying to make through this paragraph. Next we have hot higher order thinking. Dear students, based on the main idea so far, what do you think Vidur's secret is going to be about? Why? Can you guess, my dear students, what is Vidur's secret? So, as Buchi and Cub both are playing, and Mother Panther was searching for her cub, and what the plan Vidur has made, and how Vidur has separated Buchi and Cub, and how Vidur has joined Cub with his mother. Okay. Next, application part. So all of you open page number 25 from English workbook volume 2. There you have to complete worksheet S1. Here we have a worksheet. First question is read the passage and underline the key details. So my dear students, you have to read the passage carefully and underline the key details. Second question is write the main idea of the paragraph. So what is the main idea of the paragraph? How to write? This is the paragraph which is there in question number 1. Third one, write a summary of Vidur's secret. Include the most important things that you have about the characters, setting, and events so far. So already you know the summary of Vidur's secret. So write down the summary of Vidur's secret. That should include the most important things you have learned about the characters, settings, and events so far. And next session, I am going to explain you Block 13 LP2. My dear students, please complete your worksheet S1 and be ready for Block 13 LP2. Thank you one and all.